Imagine a world where gravity instantly stops. Everything not fastened down doesn't just float, it hurtles off into space. Oceans erupt skyward, our atmosphere slips away, and Earth itself begins to unravel into chaos. Gravity might feel like a constant we take for granted, but it's the invisible force that holds planets, oceans, air, and even you in place. Lose gravity, and the universe as we know it stops working. Stars disband, planets drift, and life cannot exist. Let's discuss the immediate chaos. The instant gravity vanished, humans, cars, furniture, and loose objects would all begin lifting off the ground. Without gravity holding them down, Earth's rotation would fling them outward into space like high-speed projectiles. Oceans and rivers would no longer cling to the landscape, they'd bulge, break apart, and float upward in massive blobs. Over moments, water would vaporize into clouds of steam and drift into space, extinguishing all aquatic life. The atmosphere itself would escape Earth's grip, allowing oxygen, nitrogen, and every gas to disperse into the void. Without air, humans couldn't breathe, and sound would instantly stop. The world would go frighteningly silent. Now let's discuss the breakdown of planetary structure. Gravity doesn't just keep you down. It binds Earth's core, mantle, and crust into a single stable planet. With that binding force gone, our planet's internal layers would expand, break apart, and drift into space. Mountains would crumble, buildings would disassemble, and tectonic forces would lose all meaning. Nothing would hold continents together. They'd break into drifting fragments in a silent cosmic cloud. How about cosmic consequences? Earth stays in orbit around the sun only because gravity keeps it in a constant curved path. Remove that pull and Earth would shoot off in a straight line at over 29 kilometers per second, hurtling into the cold void. Spacecraft, satellites, and the International Space Station would lose their orbital paths and scatter into space. Our global network of GPS, communications, and weather satellites would vanish within minutes. Even the sun depends on gravity. It's the force squeezing it together to sustain nuclear fusion. Without gravity, that fusion balance collapses. Stars could expand or explode, scattering matter instead of shining light. The entire solar system would disintegrate. Every planet, moon, asteroid, and comet would drift off independently. Galaxies would unravel, stars would break apart, and the universe itself would lose all cosmic structure. So what really is gravity? Gravity isn't a push. It's a curvature in space-time that pulls masses together. This force propagates at the speed of light, so even catastrophic changes don't happen instantaneously everywhere. Without any gravity at all, atoms themselves would behave differently. Matter would lose its cohesive pull. Your very body, held together at every scale by gravitational effects, would literally fly apart. What would happen to life? Human bodies evolved under 1 gram. Our blood flow, muscles, skeletons, and organs depend on it. In zero gravity, organs would float inside you. Blood wouldn't circulate normally, and bodily systems would collapse. Astronauts in microgravity suffer bone and muscle loss over time. Imagine that effect instantly, but permanent. Life as we know it, from plants to animals, depends entirely on gravity's pull to live, breathe, and grow. Without gravity, ecosystems would collapse, trees would wither, weather systems would die, and species would vanish. Let's discuss quick scenarios. Even a brief loss of gravity, say a few seconds, would be disastrous. Water would begin drifting instantly upward, and when gravity returns, they'd crash back down with cataclysmic force. Vehicles and airplanes would become uncontrollable as they floated and drifted with chaotic momentum. By the time gravity returned, cities could be flooded, structures destroyed, and millions lost. Gravity might be invisible, but without it nothing would stay in place. Not you, not Earth, not even the stars. It's the fundamental force that makes reality recognizable, and without it, the universe dissolves into chaos. For more interesting facts, follow Trivia Salad and we'll make sure to pull you closer for more.